My name is Brittany. I'm a student physical therapist. Can I feel some structures on your back for a video for class?
Yes.
Thanks. Okay guys, first thing, I know I'm supposed to be on the other side, but we couldn't figure out how to get the camera on the same side and videotape it so you could see, so I'm on this side this time, but I know you're supposed to be on the other side, if you're palpating that side. So the first thing we want to do is the L4 spinous process. So we're going to come from the iliac crest, and we're in line with L4. Then the next thing we want is the L3 spinous process, and we'll just come right up. In between that, we have the interspinous space in between L3 and L4. Then we also can feel, while we're here on L3, we can feel the most prominent transverse process by going lateral over here. We can also do the lumbar vertebrae by coming down from the 12th rib at T12. So follow that in. And you can get L1, L2, L3. We can go ahead and do the facets. So for that, we'll come at L5. So you can find the iliac crest again, L4, come down at L5, and the S1 right here. So we can go from the PSIS. Got it right there. Ooh. Then the next thing we can do is the lamina groove. So the easiest one for that is L3. So back here at L4. And then back up to L3. We'll come out here by the transverse process. And it's the space between right there. And then we have our erector spinae. So right here from the spine, the lamina groove, we can come to the transverse process over here, lateral to the spinous process. You want to strum horizontal, and then you'll ask your patient to raise the leg on that side. And you should feel it contract right there, which I did. For the multifidus, we're going to come down here at L5 and S1. Since it's such a small space, we can strum like this. And then we're going to ask them to lift their leg again, and we feel it contract. And then last but not least, the QL, quadratus lumborum, goes from our 12th rib, to our iliac crest. And so we can strum horizontal here. You want to be by the transverse processes of everything, and then you ask them to hike their hip on the side you're on. So bring your hip to your shoulder, and we should feel it contract.